want to teach you how to use ginger. Look at it. How to use ginger to cure cough and catarrh. There are two methods which you can use ginger to cure cough and catarrh. The first and the easiest one is to take a ginger, wash it and chew it, swallow the water, the juice, and drink it. Drink the juice. That's the easiest way. That is for adults. But if it's for children that cannot stand the hotness of ginger when it is fresh, what you need to do, that is the second method, whether it's a child or adult that cannot stand the hotness of ginger, eating it raw. What you just need to do, you take your ginger, peel off the skin, the back if you want. After peeling off the skin, after you have finished peeling off the skin, then you slice it. You chop it into small pieces. I'm done peeling off the back. It's not compulsory you must peel off the back. If you want to peel off the back, good. If you don't want to, just make sure you wash it thoroughly. Then slice it into small pieces. Let me show you. You chop it or slice it into tiny pieces. So you can see the way I'm doing it. After, either you slice it into tiny pieces like this. Yeah, either of the way. Either you slice it into tiny pieces like this, or you use blended one. This one is blended. I just brought it out from my freezer. So as you can see, it's still thick. So I have to wait for it to melt because I want to use it to do something else. I brought it out from, that's how I always preserve my ginger. I will grind it, put it inside freezer, and anytime I want to use it, I will bring it out, then use it. So this one is blended already. It's from the freezer. This is it. So either you use it, take this one, or this one, the fresh one, slice it into tiny pieces, then add clean water. Let me add my water. So I've added my water. So the quantity of the ginger determines the quantity of water that you're going to add. So as it is now, I will boil it for, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Whether you are using the sliced one or the blended one, either of the two, you boil it from 2 to 3 for 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to boil. So let me boil it. I will come back and show you. So I've boiled it now for 3 minutes now. So let me sieve it. This is the cup that I'm going to use to sieve it. Then the sieve, I'll pour it. So as it is now, see it. So as it is now, you allow it to cool a bit. You cannot drink it like this because it's still hot. So you allow it to cool a bit, then drink it. You can add your honey if you have honey to add it. You add it and drink it. If you don't have honey, you drink it like this. It works like magic. Just drink it. Within few minutes, in fact, both the cough and the catarrh will disappear. You will just find out that you'll be looking for it, you won't be able to see it again. You try to cough, the cough, we won't see it again. Both the cough and the catarrh. So do it and you'll enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you have not started following me, Cheesy Beauty, please follow my page, like, comment. Don't forget to share. I love you all. Bye bye.